Hi, in today's video, we're going to talk about free ways to promote Clickbank products. If this video interests you and you get value out of it, please give us a large thumbs up, like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we update our channel with a new video. So let's move on to free ways to promote Clickbank, today's video subject. So we've been going on the assumption to promote Clickbank products that you know about Clickbank. Wanted to do a real quick update on Clickbank and what it is and how you get there. You set up an account on Clickbank like this. You sign into it. You go to Marketplace. Marketplace will give you results for products for the various categories. I'm doing horse training. We'll continue on like we've been in the video. There's a course right here. You can click on that, find out what it is and what's involved with it, and which this was kind of product you'd be promoting, and see if it matches up with something you want to promote on your site. Okay, and if it is, then you come back here to the right here. You'd say, I want to promote it, and it would come up an extra window here, and then you would have your nickname, and then you'd have put in an option YRD, YRS, and generate a hop link. And then you take the hop link and put the hop link on your site. So that's just an idea of what you're doing, what's involved in how Clickbank works. But you see there's lots of products down through here that can be promoted. And there's even more. Okay. Sometimes these products are not exactly promoting the area for your search, so you might want to just do horses, and that'll come up, train your horse, the same product, a horse race system, horse betting. Okay, but you might get the idea. Okay, so in today's video, I'm looking at free ways to promote Clickbank products. And I'm specifically going to zero in on 5 free ways that you can promote Clickbank products online. Number 1 area to look at is Facebook groups. Answer questions, give the group value. I'm going to show you how we can look at Facebook groups, how you can find Facebook groups, and how to actually do and give comments that answer questions and make comments that will make people want to look to you for value, and then they'll click on your links to go to your landing pages, your blog, whatever, YouTube channel, whatever you have. The second way to look at for 5 free ways is use Instagram, and that'll show you how we can put a link to your landing page in your bio. If you do that, that's a way to get people to click to the landing page to promote products on Clickbank. The next area I want to show you today is answer questions on forums. First and foremost way I can show you about finding forums is do a Google search for niche forums, the niche that you're in, how to find that. The second thing you can look at is places like Yahoo Answers, Quorum, which is the big one today, and answers.com. We'll show you how to do that so you can use it as a free way to promote Clickbank products. Another way is to use Google. Climb the Google ladder. Get better rankings by making blogs. Blogging on your blog, blogging content, create content that ranks and draws traffic. If you do normal writing of content on a blog or a website, you will get Google's attention, and then you'll climb the ladder in the rankings for Google over time. And then you can promote Clickbank products from your website that way. That's another way. It's a very common, probably the most common way of the 5 free ways I'm talking about today. And another way of the 5 free ways is YouTube. can use a YouTube channel to promote and promote Clickbank products or any other products you want to do. Since we're talking about Clickbank products today, you can do a specific review of a Clickbank digital product or a Clickbank physical product, whatever it is you've picked out that comes from Clickbank. You can do a review of that, put a link in the description to have go to a landing page, and then from there you can promote the product. Have people buy the product from that link from your YouTube channel and the video review that you're ranked for in YouTube. So that's another way you could do it as well. So just remember, there's free ways to promote Clickbank products, 5 free ways you can do it. You can do this. You can do the 5 free ways. They're not beyond your ability to do. And don't forget that 5 free ways you can do is the key to promoting Clickbank products. So the first thing we're going to look at specifically is Facebook groups. What you can do is go to Facebook and you can put it in the browser up here, the type of group you're looking for. I'm just going to say I'm looking for a Western horse riding group. So the list here, when you do that search, groups that you can join or things that are related to your thing. Now there are a lot here for that. Maybe horse riding groups might provide. Maybe horse groups. Maybe that's not broad enough. Depends on your niche. Okay. But you can go to, let's say this has, and I look for a thing that has a lot of members. Like here's a horse lovers community. Okay. We're going to see what we come up with here. But this is just some ideas to think of how to promote Clickbank products. Let's say you found some Clickbank products that have to do with riding horses, raising horses, training horses, like that. You could join this group. And then when there's comments made, you can make comments. And after you've kind of introduced yourself to the group and people see that you're active on the group, okay, then you can make comments in here and answer questions if people have questions. And then you can end up, you can end up, after you've given value maybe 8, 9, 10 times, then you can kind of slip in, just suggest a product or something that helped you with an area. Maybe they're talking about cleaning the horse's teeth or something, whatever. You can make a comment and promote, you found this dental product for cleaning horses' teeth. Now, this is ridiculous probably, but just an example. Like I belong to this Pajama Affiliates Mastermind group. This group has over 3,000 members. You could just come in here and you can see. So there's a lady that's been part of this group for many years. She's pretty active in the group. She just wrote a blog post and she posted it in here. This will get people to click on it. And again, if they click on it, then she could be promoting a Clickbank product. I don't believe she is. This is a dating niche, but they can go down through this group and just become active in the group. Post things, make comments to people's comments, reply to people. People will notice that you're there. That's the first thing that I'm mentioning, is just find a group, join a group, be part of the group. And then once you've done that and they realize you give value, then you can put in a post about, saying, I know this product might be an idea, and give it a link. And you can even, some of these groups might, thing is, look at the rules for the group. Some of these groups might say, well, you can only go to your site. I don't want a direct product link on the Facebook post, but this is an option. Okay, this is something you could do. So that's number 1, Facebook groups. Number 2 is we could look at using Instagram and putting a link in your bio. This is Dennis from a group we're part together. He's just created this. This is very clever. This is promoting his YouTube channel. He can get followers through this. If he gets followers, it has them go to his YouTube channel, and therefore he could promote whatever he's promoting on his YouTube channel. Okay, so that's an idea. That's number two. The third way is we're going to look at places like Quora. Now, Quora is a very large, vastly used resource right now, and you can put in any number of subjects, and Quora has it covered. You just find out what it is you want to find out about. Let's say horses. I'm going to just stick with horses. There's the horses, horse lounge, horses addicted. The thing is, you can find large chain activity. Here's one about music. You could follow this and ask a question. Okay, you could ask the question in here. The favorite Beatles. Beatles' favorite song. Okay, go to that. Now look at this. Look at all this. What are the favorite Beatles? It's 18 answers. 18 answers. Okay, you can come in here, and then you could become a person that would make these comments here, and then you could have under here more. You can have here and down at the bottom here, probably have a link out to your site. But you're getting attention. See your bio, whatever. I'm not exactly sure how to use Quora, but that would be an idea. Okay, that's for Quora. Yahoo Answers, again, put in your subject matter. Right now they're promoting, obviously featuring on here is the coronavirus. But look at all these categories as we go down through here. All these categories. You could do, since it's springtime, you go do a home garden and answers the questions. And if you have a garden site, or like I have a weather site, and I know something that can answer someone's question, you can go in here and find where people are commenting and add your comment. And you can link out to your site. Another one is answers.com that I mentioned. And again, the same type of situation. Go through and you can, add. You always have to add value. The thing to remember is always add value to these groups. Become someone who is active in the group. Don't just come in here and plop a link to a product, or put in the first thing you do is, hi, I'm George and I'm from so and so, and here's a product you might like. That's never going to work. So become an active member of these groups where they collect and they answer questions. Now the thing I brought up was like find on Google, use like here, Horse Forums 2020. This lists a whole bunch of forums down through here where people are talking about horses, horse problems, horse riding, horse equipment. You can find, here's one, discussion forums. Here's the subjects they're covering: eventing, hunting, jumper, dressage, endurance, and trail riding. I have an article on my horse site. I could come in here and go to this. Look at this is very active. It's extremely active. Look at all the comments here. I'm not coming in. Let me just look at these comments. 13th, 8th. This is pretty active. So the response is, come in here and answer questions. Find what the problems are, what people are looking for. And once you do that, you can also then find valuable ways to write new blog posts to your site. But it's a good way to promote products. If you have Clickbank products about horse training, come in here and do that. That's a good way to do it. Okay. So now we're going to look at the next thing was Google with writing post. And basically, you come into my site here. I've got 8 scheduled posts. I've got the subject matters picked out already, the keywords. Okay. What we do is end up taking the keywords and creating articles. And as you create articles in your blog, and you'll get ranked for the articles. Okay, I wanted to show you real quick what the results are going to be with time. Okay, with time you're going to have an article published, and it's going to look like this. I promoted cowboy hat helmets that make sales out this regularly. Not a lot, but some sales. It's one of the better posts on this horse site. And here's products. Now if I do the same with Clickbank, promote a product. I'm just showing you what happens with Google. If you do a blog and you get a site that, a page, a post that has the Clickbank product incorporated in the content, this is what can happen, okay? You can put in cowboy hat, safety helmet. And then if you come down through this page is ranked right here. So I click on that and you go right to this. And that's where that is. It's in the first page for that keyword. But that's what happened over time, okay? So over time, that's how you could promote a Clickbank product, is by blogging, by coming into your site, creating a new post, publishing it, having it look like this or this, and then in the ranking, the results become, down through here, 1, 2, 3, right here. Results, there's my post, westernhorseriding.org. So, but that's just an example of that one. So number 5 is on the YouTube channel, establish a YouTube channel and do a Clickbank product review, such as this is my channel that you're watching this video on right now, Digital High Road. This is a review that I just did 2 days ago. You go over the product, open by showing what the product looks like from the page online, and then go in behind the scenes and start talking about what the product is about and how it works. And after you've done that, basically you show people through a demo what the product is involved, what's good, what's bad, do pros and cons for it, and that's a good way to use YouTube and YouTube channel to explain a product and do a product review. Then the key thing is to come down through here and open up the description and create hashtags, and then put your product that you want to promote in here and in here. That way people will click to it and you'll have the product promoted. You can do that with any number of Clickbank products. So we're talking about the free ways to promote Clickbank products. And we covered 5 free ways in this video. Just to recap, we used face groups. The second thing we talked about was using Instagram. The third thing we talked about was answering questions on forums, developing relationship and answering questions, adding value to forums and answer sites. The fourth way was to use Google, the normal and most often used way, creating blog content that will rank well and draws traffic to your page where you can promote products. And the number 5 way was YouTube. Do a video review for a Clickbank product. There's 5 free ways you can do. These are all methods you can do and easily do. They're free ways to promote Clickbank products. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon so every time we publish new videos to our channel, like today's video, they'll get updated and you'll be aware that there's a new video to check out. So thank you for watching, and so long.